Hi, Laura Newhall here with TaylorMade Deep Creek Sales, welcoming you to my newest listing, 68 Sundance Way. Take a look. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and adventure at this inviting 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom mountain retreat. Step outside to enjoy the wraparound deck, cozy outdoor fireplace, or soak your cares away in a private hot tub. The open concept main level is ideal for gatherings, enjoying time with family and friends. Your main level offers high-end kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Located just minutes away from Wisp Resort, this home is a winter enthusiast's dream with easy access to the slope, shopping, local dining, hiking, boating, and more. Whether you are curling up by the indoor fireplace with your favorite book, challenging friends to the foosball table, or roasting s'mores around the outdoor fire, this home is a perfect getaway. Call today to schedule your private showing.